So today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of steampunk boots with an elvish twist. These are part of the steampunk elf costume I've been working on. So I started by just getting a pair of plain black boots from the Salvation Army. And then I took some black cord to use as shoelaces since they didn't have any. And I put a little bit of metallic gold paint on a dry brush and just dabbed that at different places on the black shoestring so that it wasn't completely covered. It was just partially black and partially gold. I took a metal dragonfly and I steampunked it by painting it metallic gold and then dabbing some metallic copper over it to give it that kind of half-rusted steampunk look. And then I laced up the shoes until I got about halfway up. And then I ran the shoelaces, or the cord that I'm using for shoelaces, through the loops in the dragonfly. And then finished lacing up the boots. Just like that. And then I took some wooden leaf beads and I painted those metallic gold. When the gold dried, I put some metallic copper paint on a dry brush. And I just dabbed that on up and down with the dry brush, just like I did with the dragonfly, to give it that kind of rusted out look. Just like that. And then I took a small gear and a scrapbooking brad, and I pushed the brad through the gear, and then through the hole on the wooden leaf bead, and spread out the tails. And I made 2 of those for each boot. And so these are imitation leather boots, so I can use power tack for these, but if you're using real leather, you might need some special glue because of the oils in the leather prevent the glue from sticking. But since mine are fake, I can just use the glue and glue the leaves on one side, and then on the other side I glue the other leaf. And then I just stuck a few random gears, different places on the boots, in my case over the snaps, but you can stick them wherever you want. And I also wanted to stick some on the toes, but you got to be careful because you need to allow the boot room to bend, otherwise they'll pop off. So I glued my gears on the very end of the toe, on the hard part where it doesn't have to bend. So that way they can still be walked in and the gears aren't going to fall off. And these boots are made for walking. Hey! Don't you walk away from me!